All right, ladies and gentlemen, guys, we need to take care of our skin too. Did you know, by the way, that your skin replaces itself every month? Well, it does. And this is the Cetaphil Oil to Foam Cleanser. If you've got sensitive, normal, or dry skin, this was made for you. This starts as a silky oil that melts away sunscreen, makeup, and buildup. Then it transforms into a gentle foam, deep cleansing your skin all in one step. Now, I mentioned this when I was talking about the Gentle Skin Cleanser, but it's worth repeating here. Cetaphil has been around since 1947, created by a pharmacist in Texas who just wanted to take care of people's skin. Now, over 75 years later, they're still one of the most trusted names in skincare and recommended by dermatologists in over 70 countries worldwide. And they've continued to update their products through the years, adding vitamin B3, B5, and glycerin, all to help nourish and take care of your skin. This oil to foam cleanser is no different. It's packed with flaxseed oil and something called pentavitin. That pentavitin helps to lock in that moisture for up to 24 hours, giving your skin that healthier, calmer feeling. Most foam cleansers leave your face feeling tight and dry. This one leaves your skin feeling soft and clean. Yes, it's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores, even on extra sensitive skin. If you love the idea of double cleansing, but hate the idea of using two products, this is the one you want to check out. However, if you want to double up, chase it with this, and you'll get twice the hydration lock. Cetaphil, easy and gentle. 1947. It's a long time.